Good morning to everyone. My name is Prakhar Shastri, and now we are going to study an introduction to HTML and what are its tags and how can we do a program in HTML. So let's start. So let's start with the contents. We'll study introduction of HTML, then we'll study objectives of HTML, then what is World Wide Web, then HTML tools, then HTML terminology, and how to create an HTML document, and many other things. So let's start. So introduction to HTML. So HTML is a language with describing of web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and we can also call it a programming language. Hence, it is written. It's not a programming language; it's a markup language. But we can call it a programming language because we can code HTML language in websites. It's very useful for making websites. And HTML also uses markup tags to describe web pages. Then we'll study more about HTML. HTML is used to create document on the World Wide Web. It simply is a collection of certain keywords called tags that are helpful in writing the document to be displayed using a browser on internet. It is a platform independent language so that it can be used on any platform such as Windows, Linux, Macintosh, and so on. To display a document in web, it is essential to mark up for different elements, heading, paragraphs, tables, and so on. And HTML also provide tags to make the document look attractive using graphics, font size, and colors. User can make a link to the other document or the different sections of the same document by creating hypertext links, also known as hyperlinks. Now let's see about the objective of HTML. The objective of HTML is to create and save and view a HTML document, format a web page using section heading tags, describe ordered and unordered lists, explain graphics in HTML document, describe hypertext links, and making text image links. Now let's study about World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, or also known as WWW, is a system of interlinked hypertext documents accessed via the internet. With a web browser, one can view web pages that may contain text, images, videos, and other multimedia and navigate between them and hyperlinks. Now let's see what are HTML tools. There are two tools in HTML. HTML is a program that one can use to create and save HTML documents. They fall into two categories. First is text based or code based, which allows one to see the HTML code as one is creating a document, that is Notepad and Netscape Composer. The second is web browser. It is a program that only uses to view and test the HTML documents. They translate HTML encoded file into text, images, sounds, and other features user see. Now let's see about HTML terminology. There are some commonly used terms in HTML which we are going to discuss. First are tags. Tags are always written within Angel's brackets. It is a piece of text. It is used to identify an element so that browser realizes how to display its contents. HTML tags indicates the start of an HTML document. HTML tag can be of two types. First is paired tag and second is unpaired tags. Then we'll study attributes. Attribute is a property of a tag that is specified in the opening angle brackets. It supplies additional information like color, size, home, font size, etc. to the browser about the tag. The most of the common attributes are height, color, width, src, border, align, etc. Document type definition is a collection of rules written in standard generalized markup languages. HTML is defined in terms of DTDS. All the details of HTML tags, entities, and related document structures are defined in DTDS. Then element is a component of a document structure such as title as paragraph or list. It can include an opening and closing tag of the contents within. Now let's study how to create an HTML document. So HTML document can be created by HTML head, body. So these are tags. First we will write HTML, then closing tag HTML, then head, then closing head, then body, and then closing body. So there are many tags like HTML, body, head, body tag. Then there are many attributes such as background color, text, body. Then there are attributes used with body. There are many attributes which are used with body such as file name, etc. Now we'll see how we can save a document with HTML. So step one is opening a text editor, and then we'll follow our code which we have written. Then in step 2 we will enter the code. Then in step 3 we'll save the files as whatever name you have to tell the computer, and which .html extension. And for viewing the document on the web explorer or on the web browser, you can browse the file with your name what you have given .html and open it. So this is how HTML works. Thank you.